Hi Moon, can you blink once? Can you show your bigger roop to us like you just showed me? Oh wow! Seriously, Savannah, see.
Yeah, I know.
Come back to your original shape, please.
Papa,
Oh
it's listening to you.
my god! Sarah, can you also see once? I can't believe it.
Moon, can you grow big?
See?
It's pumping. Can you stop and grow big?
Show your biggest roop. Please, once.
More.
Can you blink? Moon, can you come back to your biggest form? Please. It was miraculous. We just want to see it again. Blink quickly.
We're waiting. It's
Yes, yes.
blinking.
Wow. Thank you. See ya tomorrow.